Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make a raised bed and then pull it inside a plastic greenhouse. So this is the space where I'm going to be making my raised bed, and I'm going to make it out of that pallet just outside the greenhouse. So right now I am actually trying to dismantle this pallet to actually get the size of the raised beds. Wow, I didn't know how tough this was. These nails are so annoying. Sawing through this wood and sawing through the nails is a really tricky job, but I'm slowly getting there. Okay, as you can see, I have finally separated 4 planks of wood from this pallet. But all I need to do now is get rid of these sharp nails. I didn't really need to get rid of them because they're going to be inside, like the soil's going to be covering them. So all I'm going to do is just stand on the plank. So this has now flattened all of the nails. Hopefully, yes, there you go. They're no longer sticking out. I can always hammer them more down if I wanted to. So right now I've just put 2 planks together because I want the depth to be that tall instead of just 1 pallet tall. So to attach the 2 planks together, I'm just cutting some spare piece of wood I've got, and I'm gonna do some like support brackets, like about 3 of them I think. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, just sawing these pieces of wood and I'm gonna nail them into place. So this is where I'm at so far. I have made the side panels, put the support beams down the middle, as you can see. Very nice. All I gotta do now is top and bottom, and then I can put it in the greenhouse. So I have finally, after like 2 hours, an hour and a half, I don't even know how long this took me, but yeah, I finally built my first planter slash raised bed, and it is going to go in my greenhouse. So let's take it into the greenhouse. So this is my raised planter and it's going to go just here. Okay, let's see if it fits. It should fit because I did measure beforehand. I didn't make it completely the whole length of the greenhouse because I might put some like plant pots there or something. But yeah, I think it fits quite well. Yeah. I like how all the nails are still sticking out. But yeah, it does the job. I'm going to line the inside with some like plastic material just to protect the wood from all the soil and the watering I'm going to be doing. I think I'm going to leave the bottom blank like that, just so all the water can like seep out the bottom. I don't want it to get too wet. But yeah, that's my raised planter in the greenhouse. So yeah,